Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 hybrid Fiat 500. Now of course you do have your halogen headlights, LED daytime running lights. You then also get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition you do get. Coming around to the rear now, you've got your rear parking sensors. We've then got plenty of room for a micro hatch in the tailgate. You've then got 50-50 split folding rear seats. Coming around the car again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Inside the car now, you have part cloth, part leather interior throughout. You do also have this dark blue accenting as well. You've then got a 6-speed manual gearbox. Your window switches are in the middle. Your climate settings are in the front, as you can see here. And then coming up top, you've got city mode. We've got your touchscreen display. As you can see, you've got your various audio sources. So you've got AM, FM, DAB. Go over to your media. You can select the source just here, so you can have USB or Bluetooth. You've also got satellite navigation as well. Then over to the steering wheel, we've got your audio controls to the left. We've then also got track select on the right with your Bluetooth hands-free. As you can see in the middle, this car has done one moment, 18,613 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Fiat 500, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.